Alright, now we need to upload the file, the source code up. Select all the things, put it in, drag into the Microsoft Visual Studio Code on the files. You will see the source controls got 5. That's one dot notifications with the 5 notifications. Click on it. All you need to do is to click on the message box. Okay, then type in the message you want to record as. You can say new website. This is your first time uploading. Then you need to check everything is in place. We got all the files. Click on commit and push. Once you click on it, it will load. Then it will pump everything from your local folders to the online. As you can see, on the right is the software, on the left is the GitHub online. All you need to do, check it, click refresh, you'll see all the files is uploaded. Just hold on for a while, click on refresh, you will see everything is up now. Okay. Yep, you successfully uploaded everything. Yep, next video then.